Alright guys, we're at the Devil's Backbone County Park. This is the entrance, that's the road. And that's the what? The first aid, right?
Yes.
First aid for somebody there to assist the people if they want to kayak or, you know, do whatever. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go check here.
Yeah, you know we're in the Devil's forever.
Yeah, come on, Lucas. Oh wow, look at this bridge.
Whoa.
Not too close, not too close. Come on, Lucas. Come close, guys. You can walk here. Oh wow, it's pretty cool. That's it, guys. Stop. Lucas, come here. Come on, guys. Let's go. What the?
No, there was a hole there.
Come on, man. I got sandals on. Take pictures here. Bunch of girls and little swing sets. That's pretty cool. We're gonna cross the bridge, right?
That thing right there. Baba, look at that swing. Baba, look at that swing. Baba,
Yeah.
look at that thing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. You can do that.
A bunch of girls here, behind there, down there. There's a pavilion on that side.
And that was the bridge.
Yeah, there's a bridge.
And that was the courthouse tree.
Baba, we want to go to the bridge now.
Come on, let's go this way. We'll walk along this and we'll go on the bridge.
Baba.
Oh wow, what is that thing in the middle? Don't come too close. Hey, come here, come here.
I see a fish. Baba, there's one fish down there.
Oh, I see something.
What is
There's
it?
a fish.
I don't know.
What is
There's a
Well, those
fish.
guys are fishing, right? So there's something must be in the water.
Maybe there's swimming in there.
Yeah.
fish?
Don't play branches on you. Look at the water.
Baba, there was our spot.
Yep, there's our spot. Is our trash? Is that our trash? Sabrina, is that our trash? That foil? Matteo, grab the foil. That has to be ours. Come on, let's pick it up.
That is ours.
Come on. Here.
Go back up there.
This is not ours?
I don't know.
No, but let's keep the place clean.
That looks like our food.
Yeah, I don't know if it's not ours, but disrespectful to make it, you know, keep the place dirty.
That's somebody's food.
Yeah, but we gotta make sure we clean. Come this way, guys. Come on. Keep this place clean. Sabrina, you want to check out the waterfall? Or you want to cross the bridge and go that way? Okay.
Here?
Come on. Oh, that's pretty cool. Lucas, come here. Come here, Lucas. Come here. Come here. You guys want to take a picture here?
No.
Mateo here, Leo, Mateo, Sabrina. Come on, guys, here. So Lucas, Lucas, come on. No, no, stand there. Oh my God. Here, Mateo, here. Okay, let's go. So nice. Ooh, this is, I never crossed a bridge like this. Let's go. Oh wow. Come on, Lee, come on. Come on.
It's gonna get too deep.
Yeah.
It's gonna go all the way to the bridge.
Here, so let me take a picture here. Right here. Of the waterfall? Oh, that's awesome. Here. Yeah. In here. I know. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on, guys.
Oh, those bugs that they catch, those spiders.
What is this? Wait.
Man, where does that trail lead to? Is that even a trail? No, that's a weird trail. I have no idea. I think that will go where those guys are. Yeah.
Hey, but over there is more danger from
Here, Leo, Luke. I mean, Mateo, Lucas, walk with mom.
Mateo. Remember, over there is more.
Come on, guys.
Whoa, look at this.
I think everyone is
Are we going back where we was?
No.
Come on, Leo, come on. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty cool, right?
But what does it lead to?
Isn't this gorgeous, Sabrina? Huh? Huh? Lucas, come here. You can see the look how rough the water is. Mateo, walk. Mateo, Lucas, walk together. Here, sir. Lucas, hold mom. Hold mom. Leah, leave it alone. Come on. No. You have to leave it alone. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Come on. To the water.
I can leave it alone. I just can't my fingers just crack me. Oh, Papa, this is They're going behind the fence, Papa. They're going to step into the water.
Whoa. Sabrina, you want to take a picture here? Guys, take a picture together. Guys, here, stand there. Aliyah, stand with mom. Here, Lucas, go, mom. Nah, it's good. It's good.
That's where the trails look.
Oh man, that's crazy. That's nice.
Wow, wow,
Oh
wow,
wow. That's pretty cool. It's cool, right, Sabrina? Isn't that awesome, Malia? It's so rough. Yeah. Leah, come on. Oh, we got an open area.
No.
Come on.
You cannot walk in here.
Yeah, you can.
Look up.
What does it say?
It says-
Warn to keep off dam. But does it? Yes, you can. That means don't come on this side.
Oh.
Yes, you can, Sabrina. Yes, you can. Where does it say you can't walk? No, it says keep off the dam, which is over there. That's not here.
Oh.
Yes, Sabrina. Thank you.
Papa, where are we at? Papa, what is this?
This is another nice. It's a nice clean field, right?
Yeah.
You guys can play here. Let's just explore.
Here.
Let's just explore. Let's explore.
The red radar here. Yeah, Papa.
Yeah, it's very out in the open.
It feels like we're adventuring.
Really nice place.
Adventuring.
I know. Here, come on, guys. Let's go towards this edge of water right here. Don't get too close to the edge, okay?
We were not.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on.
Look at this thing.
Here, Sabrina, you walk with the Leah.
Huh?
Here, walk with the kids, please.
It's. Wow. Look at this. The bridge made us here, right, Papa?
I know, this is pretty sweet.
Yeah, this is pretty nice.
Pretty nice. It stretches pretty
Let's
far.
look at the rings.
We're like in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. I see. Oh, I see some sort of ducks or geese or. We're exploring. We're exploring.
We're exploring, yeah. But, do you hear that?
Trees for your future. Yeah. Are you tired already? Jeez. What? Yeah, sandals don't help either. We're gonna not get too close to those animals, okay? Down there.
What the
Those things will yell, like hiss at you like snakes. Let's see what the sign says. Well, then we run. We run. Danger dam. No boating, no swimming, no wading. Of course. Of course. It goes pretty far from all the way down there to all the way there. I guess we can't go too far because they're all over there. There's too many geese or ducks. Right there.
Where?
Down there, you see them?
Oh.
They're very mean. So this goes so far.
Do you want to pet them?
No, Aaliyah, you cannot pet them.
I thought they were like
They're very mean.
They're very mean.
Come on, guys, let's go.
But they're just ducks.
Come on.
Ducks.
They'll hiss at you.
They'll follow you. They're
Papa,
gonna say, hey, this
Papa,
is my purse.
Papa, let's go back. I want to take a picture.
They
They're
want
far
more than you.
away.
Come on,
Papa,
Luca.
we're super far away, so let's go back.
I think that's about it, right, Sean, for the park? I think that's it, guys. We've pretty much explored this park. Until next weekend.
Now we need to go back.
Now we need to go to a new place.
What's your new place?
I'm not sure. Yeah, so this park has bathrooms. Looks like what's one stall in the bathroom, right? One stall in the women's bathroom. No sink, so there's just sanitizer. Same thing for men's. There's just a kitchen. Oh, sorry, a stall and a sanitizer. That's about it. Mateo, wait for us. So we gotta find a new place next weekend, right? 2 new places.
Are we gonna go home now?
Yeah, I think we're done for the day. You guys want ice cream? Okay, we buy ice cream. Yep.
Yeah, we can buy ice cream when we go home.
So when you gonna buy a vanilla iced coffee?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the chocolate.
I want to buy the Oreo
I know.
McFlurry.
Oh, actually,
We'll try. We'll ask. We'll try. Where did we go? Where did we go? Oh, okay. And they were both no luck, right?
Look at there, that's our planet.
Yeah.
I can see.
All the way down there is the pavilion. Obviously, you got to reserve it. Yeah, and there's. Yeah, it's pretty. Wait for us, Mateo.
What is it? I just scared of a little bird.
Mateo, wait for us.
Oh, wait for us!
Mateo, wait for us.
Now!
Hey, what did I say? Wait for us. They look like steps.
Oh.
That's really interesting.
Wait, we should go.
No, for me, I'll do it by myself. For you, I don't know if you can handle it. That's about it for the park, right? That's it. All right.